So here we are looking at Michigan civil jurisprudence, and we'll start with the index, which is over here on the right. And then this is where the search feature in your browser will come in handy. On a PC, you can do Control F. On a Mac, it's Command F. And I'm going to look for workers. And then here's the index entry for workers' compensation. Now I'm going to do again Control F and look for purpose. So I can quickly get to what I'm looking for. So here's legislative purpose. The fact that it's section 1 is a good sign. That means that probably this is truly indeed the beginning of it. So here's the purpose. It's to promote the welfare of the people of Michigan by providing financial and medical benefits to victims of work-connected injuries in an efficient, dignified, and certain form. The statute aims at compensation as opposed to reparation for damages. And then the primary goal is to compensate injured employees for loss of earning capacity, not merely lost wages. It also seeks to avoid the payment and so forth. Okay, so anyway, that's the index. The table of contents, we can do the same thing. We can go down and look for workers' compensation, and then we can kind of drill down. And this gives us context for this area of law. Here's a section on purpose, so we can check that out. Oops. Legislative purpose. So that's section 1. That will get us to that same section we were just looking at. Now, the search bar, we can put in here workers' compensation purpose. Now we're searching just in Michigan civil jurisprudence because we chose that as the database. So I'm not seeing anything right away here, so maybe we need like purpose of, maybe that will kind of make it work better for us. But do you see my point here? The search bar isn't all great and mighty like we think. I bet now that I've been to the index, I know they like legislative purpose. But if I hadn't gone to the index, I wouldn't have known that. There it finally pops up. So I had to put in legislative purpose, and then it popped up there. So anyway, there are the 3 different ways, at least in one. You can do the same thing in Lexis. They don't have an index, so you don't have that benefit. And it's the same thing if you were to do this in Corpus Juris Secundum or American Jurisprudence, the 2 national encyclopedias. You do it the same way. So there you go.